What's up, guys? John from JonMcNeil.com here, and I am super excited to bring this video for you guys today because I have a special interview with this guy that has created and generated multiple six figures from his kitchen table. His funnel actually went viral on the internet, and that's how I actually learned about him. I have on the channel today, guys, the one, the only, the super funnel hero himself, George Wiggins. Thanks for
Yo,
coming on the channel, bro.
no problem, no problem.
How's it going, man? How you doing?
It's doing good. Constantly working, doing new things to my funnel, constantly updating it, and just trying to tweak it so
Yeah,
as many people as possible can earn from the funnel.
absolutely.
That's my whole goal.
So I want to get all into the super funnel today. Guys, this guy, George Wiggins, if you haven't, or if you're not familiar with him, he actually created a funnel that generated multiple six figures. That's what we're going to be talking about. So if you guys don't know him, you're going to get to know him today. So before we actually jump right into the super funnel hero, can you just tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got into affiliate marketing?
Yeah, so I first come online about I think 2008, 2009, and I think it was 2009, and I was online for 5 years trying like as many things as you think possible, trying to make money online, affiliate marketing,
Yeah.
everything you can think of. And it took me 5 years to make $20.
Wow.
So I was trying so many different things like investing money or then thinking this would work. Literally anything you can think of,
Yeah.
I was trying it. But what I would do, I'd try something for no longer than a week. And then I'd be like, okay, that's not going to work. Next thing, and next
Just
thing.
gave up.
And then eventually I was stuck onto something. I made $20. It was 2014. And I started using Facebook when it was easy to leverage Facebook to
Okay.
post that.
How did you make
And
the $20? I'm just curious.
it was a program called Internet Lifestyle Network
Okay.
from Vincent Ortega.
Okay.
I was in that and I started generating a few $1,000s from that, started building up a following. That come crashing down, so it was like, that was gone.
Okay.
But then I come across another program, and what I noticed was I was finding it hard to get sales for like $20, $100, and then I could promote another program which was $3,000 to join.
Okay.
And then I just started leverage Facebook. 10 days, I've done over $42,000 with zero ad spend. I just kept going
Free Facebook marketing?
through Facebook, just posting pictures.
Wow. That's actually amazing. So,
Yeah.
how did you come about creating the super funnel? Because I heard about this funnel, and that's how I learned about you, and it actually did go viral. So, like, what made you want to
it went
create
viral
this
very
funnel?
quick.
Yeah, it was crazy, man. So,
Yeah,
how did
so
you come about creating that, and what made you wanted to do it?
there was a funnel which is basically, exactly the same as mine, and I saw someone done it, but it was because obviously my funnel at the moment, but it's coming off, is hosted on ClickFunnels.
Okay.
So someone created a funnel, and it went through a series of steps, and it was just like send subtle ad traffic to that, get people to come in, join ClickFunnels, and get ClickFunnels trials. So that was the whole premise.
Yeah.
That funnel got taken down by ClickFunnels itself. But I saw where the person went wrong. So all I done, I got the model and I just redesigned everything, went through and and I added my own upsells because literally they was just going for ClickFunnels.
Okay.
So I was like, all right, I'm not going to do. Obviously, I use ClickFunnels as another income stream
Correct.
because the funnel had like 5 income streams.
Okay.
But then mainly I focus on the upsells of my own ones. So I went through. I created the funnel in one day. Okay, in one day I done the funnel, the videos, the upsells, and all the membership areas in one day.
Wow.
Launched it literally from a crappy little laptop.
From your kitchen table.
Yeah, you can hardly see like video or anything. Audio is really bad and everything like that. Launched it,
Yeah.
and within 5 days had I think nearly 50 people come into ClickFunnels, sent it through, and then the way I've done it, I designed it so it would go. Well, I'd hoped it'd go viral,
Right.
and literally just exploded. And then next thing I was making up to nearly $5,000 a month from ClickFunnels from doing nothing. And then my own upsells generated over $100,000 in 3 months. And then obviously I plug in a lot of other income streams and
Absolutely.
just like add incomes coming from everywhere. But
Yeah.
the funnel, honestly, if you saw it, you would think this funnel would never convert, it would never do anything. But the premise I went and the way I went about doing my funnel is people as you can see, because you've got like CoffeeZilla and all them the fake gurus.
Yeah.
That's my approach. I just went off and I said, look, everyone's sick and tired of these get rich quick, all these Lamborghinis, thanks. So I said, I was just like, my whole thing was just, I'm like, look at me, normal person. I'm in the kitchen.
Absolutely.
Just took off.
Yeah, that's what I really liked about your funnel when I actually saw it, and I actually liked the funnel, man. Like I liked the way it looked aesthetically, and everything that you had in the funnel actually made sense to help newbies out. Now, here on my channels, I have a lot of newbies that are just starting out with affiliate marketing. They're trying to learn and trying to make money online. What are some of the things that you would suggest they do in order to be consistent at making money online and really start generating a decent income from home?
Build your email list.
Okay.
My main priority is building my list every single day. Because the way with my funnel as well, I tell everyone buy solo ads.
Yep.
And there was two types of people who was having like buying 100 clicks, expecting to have a lot of sales, and just then not doing it again.
Right.
And what I said to them, I said, whatever you can afford, weekly or monthly, invest in clicks to build your email list. Because what I done, I provided for $7. I provided, we're still there now, like 40 days worth of email follow-ups.
Yeah.
Other people reach out to me, big marketers. I don't know if you ever heard of a company called Promote Labs.
Yep.
Yeah, Jeremy and all from them.
Absolutely.
I was with them in London. We were doing some work with them. They're doing it so like they're putting their offers. And our stuff we usually, some stuff they had to pay for, there was like, I made a deal with them. I was like, look, you put this in here, and then all my affiliates are using that. And because they have good offers, it's helping with them. And just a lot of other offers. So I'm finding the best high converting offers and training for free. And I was just putting it in there, all for $7.
Yeah.
Facebook, the exact same method I've done to make 40 grand in 10 days is in there. How to set up the funnel training, bridge page sort of training.
Yep.
Tons up to $7, which I know other people who charge like $1,000, $500, $2,000, $7. I'm like, you can have the funnel's free.
Yeah.
But for $7, you're getting an email thing, so you can have a constant flux of income coming in.
Yeah, that's so important to, like you said, to build your list. And I know that for myself, that building your list consistently over time is going to grow your income. That's definitely the best way to start making money online, and then having that follow-up series. And I actually went through your follow-up series, man. It's really good. Did you write that copy?
Yeah. What I've done, the main sequence when it comes in, it's people to come get the people who come in to use the funnel, come to the Facebook group.
Okay.
I wrote all that copy myself, and then what I've done, the other people's offers who are putting it inside, help people earn.
Yeah.
They know no one else knows their product the best or anything like that. Then they do the personalized product. So they provide personal emails just for my team.
Oh, perfect.
They send them over. So I'm just like, okay, grab that. Like another one from Wayne Crow, he put in there, we've done a special half-an-hour training,
Gotcha.
which is in the members area. And he provided 30 days worth of emails that he uses, and they're emails that are designed to get very high clicks. And then we've done a smart link, because obviously a lot of people can't find a good offer to promote, and they don't know what to promote. So
That's
what
true.
we've done it so all they do, import the copy and paste, import the 30-day sequence from Wayne in your Aweber or whatever autoresponding you're using, get the smart link and put it in where it says stop for the link, and every time someone clicks that, it will go to the 3 highest converting offers in his network that day.
That's super awesome.
So it helps them get more sales.
That's super awesome. So let's break it down for my audience. So the super funnel itself is absolutely free.
The funnel's free. Initial training's free. I have a masterclass where I just show people how I built the funnel. That's a course, so I charge for that.
Okay.
But the rest of it, I don't actually sell courses, like on upsells. I don't. I sell like emails, $7.
Okay.
Thousands of dollars worth of emails, we just said.
Those emails are amazing too. They're good.
Yeah, and then like a dump view service.
Okay.
A lot of people are not very techie. I'm not techie whatsoever. So they'll come in. My team will come in and set up the whole funnel for them.
Okay.
Another one where I actually go through detail. I'll show them how I do my bridge pages for how I promote to launches. Any launch I promote on Warrior Plus, I will hit the top 10 in any launch I promote.
Oh, I've seen you on the leaderboards.
Yeah, that's just from leads, like
Yeah.
from coming from the funnel. And the way I do it, so I build a relationship. Then people trust me and they buy anything off me.
Yeah.
And
Is that in your
then
master class?
um, which one? Sorry.
The bridge page training, or
No,
is that
no,
within the
no.
super
That
funnel training?
I charge $37 for that.
Oh, okay, okay,
That's I show you exactly how to do it. But in my
okay.
masterclass, I go through step by step. I go through a whole videos showing you how I made the super funnel that I've done over 100. Well, it's done about $250,000 now.
Okay.
I show exactly how I built it so other people can build it. I show them why I put that button there, why I use that color, why I use that headline, why I done certain things like that. Because when I went for a revamp, because I'm on the third revamp now,
Okay.
when I went with the second revamp, the designer who was doing it for me, I said I want my funnel layout exactly the same, just change the colors,
Colors.
like the blue, gold, and white now.
It
And
pops. Yeah.
yeah, and I come to it after like 2 weeks, and he changed everything. He's like, no, it won't convert like that. And I was like, the funnel's only $200,000. It will convert. Keep the same layout, just change the color. And I was like, I knew like getting arguments with the designer over
Yeah.
it. But but a lot of people think, and you don't always have to have a pretty funnel for it to convert. Because if you saw the first version of my funnel, it wasn't pretty at all, but it converted like crazy.
Like crazy. Yeah. Okay. So I do know that there was a section in the Super Funnel Hello that it was like the partner with George section, and
Yeah,
I really like that because you were able to you got another funnel on top of that, so I was able
yeah,
to
that's
access that.
the ultimate funnel.
Yeah.
That funnel there, I've done it so it pre-frames people when they come in. So
Okay.
when they come through the steps,
Mhm.
and the follow through was like 80% people from opting in actually going through and buying it, because before my masterclass before was $1,000.
Okay.
I add it to my funnel, but I put it down to 297 now. But before, so you and I with solo ads, it's hard to get a sale, a few sales. The way I structured my funnel and everything that I had one person before, he ordered 500 clicks, he had 22 sales, and
Yeah.
one of them was $1,000 sale from 500 clicks,
Yeah.
which cost him $350.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, looking at your funnel, when I first saw it, I was instantly attracted to it, and I instantly went for some of the upsells myself. And typically, I'm not one of those impulse buyers. So,
Yeah,
like, I saw the funnel. I liked what you were saying, initially on the squeeze page. And then when I went through the steps, I was like, okay, I need these emails. I need to partner with George. I need to get these additional income streams. And you guys will see this because we're going to have a link in the description for the Super Funnel Hero. But he actually gives you the opportunity to really plug into his entire ecosystem and generate some income streams for yourself. It's
yeah.
about what, 4 or 5 different income streams?
Oh God, I mean, there's more than
Well,
that. I
there's
don't even know how
more,
many fish
yeah.
now. No, because
Yeah.
I'm always adding more because
Yeah.
the way I designed it, it is like the term business in a box. This is actually what I want it to be. And if people take it and implement and listen to what I say, import your funnel, set up your funnel. If you don't, we can set it up for you.
Yeah.
Go for it and just keep sending traffic when you can afford to buy solo ads. You're going to build your list and you'll see money coming through. If you're a partner with George, you get 50% on all my upsells.
Right.
And then you get sales. I've had people who've been online for years, never earned a dime, gone through and made their first ever money with this. I've had people who generated over $20,000, $10,000 with my funnel.
Yeah, you have a ton of testimonials. Now, you have a Facebook group as well, like for
Yeah,
support and camaraderie
yeah,
with all your members.
the group is the way I've designed the group as well is like everyone helps each other.
Yeah.
And things that people, if they spam or do any stupid stuff, they're gone, delete them straight away. I've just noticed I want people to help each other, and people always posting results, and they're coming in. So that's the good thing about it, because obviously, like the way I set up the funnel, people come in, and inside my funnel, inside the follow-up, I'm trying to get them into the Facebook group. So someone could come into the funnel, don't buy a single upsell, but then come into the group because they're skeptical, come in the group, and they suddenly see all these screenshots of other members making money. What are they going to do? Okay, this might work. I might try $100, and they go and buy. So then that person in the group, because I always use raw links.
Yeah.
I don't use mine, so my affiliate will always get the sale.
Good.
And then they're getting sales and everything like that.
Good. Good. So, guys, I want to test you guys. I've seen this funnel firsthand. I've invested into the funnel myself. This funnel rocks. It's the super funnel hero, he calls it. You can even get a t-shirt too. He has t-shirts. I'm surprised you didn't have the t-shirt on.
I haven't got it on today.
Yeah, where's the t-shirt?
I usually wear it.
But guys, this funnel is amazing and it absolutely converts. You can check it out in the link in the description. It's absolutely free. There's some great value-driven upsells, guys. I purchased some of them myself, so definitely give them a look and check them out. So if they want to get in touch with you, George, and maybe find out more about you and connect with you, I think you just started a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, I started a YouTube channel, Super Funnel Hero. That's my new YouTube channel. Literally like a week ago. But I've done that there to do like free training. And because obviously my group's private, so when I do training, what I do, I sometimes will upload it to YouTube, people not in the group. And also I do product reviews. Okay. But the way I'm doing mine is I do a product review. But if I think the offers, because I don't know about like Warrior Plus David Zoom when people doing launches, a lot of it is garbage. So I have people message me every day now wanting to do reviews. Yeah. So I will do reviews, and if I think it's really bad, I will put that on YouTube that I think it's garbage and people shouldn't buy it. So my YouTube channel is going to be, I'm not going to sit there like promote products or recommend a product, do a product review, and say to people go and buy this if I think it's garbage. No way. Yeah. Yeah, guys, go and check him out. Like, his trainings are really good. You guys are going to see his trainings. You're actually going to get a lot of training within the Super Funnel Hero. He breaks stuff down step by step by step. It makes it super easy for you. And so definitely go over to his YouTube channel so you guys can get some more free training and learn about some of the free products. He definitely has a high level of integrity, you guys, so you definitely want to check George out. So I'll leave a link in the description for the Super Funnel Hero in the link in the description. You guys make sure you go right now to that link and register and get your free account, the Super Funnel Hero. And then I'll leave George's YouTube channel in the description as well. So you guys go over to his channel and subscribe. Get close to this guy because he's going big things. He's doing big things and going big places, though. Yeah, I'm sorry. Besides mine as well, I've just invested a lot of money because I'm revamping again. There's a lot of changes. There's a lot of changes coming as well, which is going to help a lot more people make money as well. Oh, so you're revamping the funnel again? It's happening as well. I've already got a version of it there. Okay. I haven't, because what I do before I release a version, I test it. Okay. So it's in test mode at the moment, and before I made the more changes, it's already generated, the version 3.0 has already done nearly $50,000. That's amazing. Amazing. Yeah, definitely, guys, go check it out. George, thank you so much for taking the time, man. I appreciate your time, and thank you so much. You guys go in the link in the description, get the Super Funnel Hero, get your t-shirt. He's got t-shirts for you. Go to his YouTube channel and subscribe to him. Thanks, George. I appreciate it, man. No problem. Bye.